Shear Tool.
The shear tool can be used to apply a shear transformation to curves, surfaces, and solids. This allows for the distortion of objects along a specified axis, which can be useful in various modeling and design scenarios. Let's go over the shear tool. The shear tool is accessed from the Advanced Transformation Tool palette, and it's the last tool icon. Once you select it, select the plane that you wish to do the operation in. I'm in the top view and I'm going to choose the XY plane. Next, choose the shear angle. The default is 30 degrees. Then, select the object that you want to shear and the shear origin. Likewise, you can use a surface. We'll do the same operation. And you can use a solid.
Thanks for watching.